Alright, I'm entering Gun Geek's 15 in 2 minutes competition. I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently though because I don't have access to a single shot military rifle, and the only one that I can get easily is a Civil War era Springfield trapdoor in 4570 that is a legitimate antique. I can shoot it, but in order for me to do that I have to have black powder rounds loaded for me, and I just don't have time right now. So I'm using the 46M 22 that I'm so fond of at 100 yards. And the reason I'm justifying this is he said you can use a bolt action gun that is military. This has another model that Gun Geek owns that is nearly identical to this. It is a military trainer. So because this has a sister gun that's pretty much the same thing that is a military trainer, and I'm shooting a 22 long rifle at 100 yards. Let me see if I can even show you the target on here. I'm going to say this counts. Now this competition is just for fun, so who really cares what I'm using, honestly. So let's see how I do. Alright, I'm going to be doing this prone. I'm using my iPhone to time this. I'm using the bench, not on the ground because the ground's wet. So let's get started. I'm starting this now. Running out of time. So this bench is really hurting my crotch, so we need to hurry. Sure y'all didn't need to know that, but hey. Feel my pain. Alright, 59 seconds. Oh, crap. Oh! Ow. Alright, 59 seconds. Cutting it down to the wire. Let's go see if I actually hit anything. He said he wanted us to film walking out there, but I forgot. Who really cares? It's for fun anyways. Bastard. Alright, you little bastards. This is what I can do with the 22 at 100 yards. So, since you're all using military rifles, large bore, you better beat this. Let's see, let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 of them on target. 2 of them pretty close this time. So 10 on target in 2 minutes. 100 yards with a 22 long rifle.